So let's say you wanted this playlist to increase in tempo. So this is going to be at 50 BPM. And the last item is going to be at 250 BPM. So with that first and last item set, you can select all. So when you go into edit mode, this is select all. And then you can tap on actions and you'll see in the tempo, rep, and timer options, we've got tempo options, rep options, or timer options, and they do similar things. So tempo options, you can choose to set the tempo, which will just set whatever tempo you set for all of them. But you can choose ramp or random tempos. And ramp tempo will basically scale this up. So this is 50, this is 70, this is 90, and that scales it up so that your last one is 250.